Hi, today we're gonna look at this Apple Watch SE first generation. This is my wife's Apple Watch and the battery on this doesn't even last one day. And if we go to the battery health, it says 80%. I think it's safe to assume that it needs a new battery, so that's what I have here. Let's do this. To open this, I'll be using a hair dryer, normal hair dryer, nothing special. And this iFixit toolkit, I'm not even sure what version this is, but basically has everything I need. I'll heat it up until it's hot to the touch, and yeah, we go from there. Let's see if I can use this plastic pick first. Doubt it. As you can see, I'm struggling quite hard here. Opening this was way harder than expected. I left this entire section uncut, but I set it to 1600 speed just to see me struggling with it. You will probably also notice that I made a bunch of mistakes here using metal prying tools, which I should have known that it could cause some damage. But also none of the plastic tools that I had worked with this one. Finally, I managed to get in, but I already see some damage from how I tried to open it. But anyway, let's continue. These components are so tiny. Trying without detaching the screen, but I don't know if I can. I kind of start to regret wanting to work on this. And I can see I scraped the Taptic engine. At this point, I wanted to try and see if the watch is working, because I wasn't sure if the battery was plugged in properly. And guess what? The watch doesn't start anymore, or so I thought. Yeah, so unfortunately this one, I need to call it a bust. I think I nicked the ribbon cables when I pried the battery. I tried putting them back together. I even tried with the old battery and the new one. I also attempted to start it with its puck charger, and the watch is actually starting, but there's no display. And as far as I know, this requires a lot of skill to repair. So basically I need to desolder the ribbon cable from the motherboard and then replace that with a new one. But yeah, it's way above my skills. I don't know. I think I will call this a bust, and yeah, sometimes you fail, sometimes you don't. But at least now I know I'm not that good at repairing smartwatches. Thanks for staying with me and watch me fail. Hopefully next time we'll have a different outcome. Bye!